I love my family. I love my family. They always take care of me. My mother loves to cook delicious food. I help her prepare the meal. My father works for the family. He helps mother too with the dishes and the laundry. We help each other in everything. We are a happy and loving family. My brother and sister are also nice to me. First day in school. I am excited for my first day in school. I want to meet my classmates. I want to draw and write. I love to sing and dance. I hope my teacher is kind. I have a lot of things in mind, but I am so excited to have fun. At the park. It is Saturday. I am going to the park. My father and mother take me, my brother and sister to the park during the weekend. We play at the swing and the slides. We run and play with the ball with other kids. We buy ice cream and candy at the park. We are very happy. Joey. My name is Joey. I am 30 years old. I live in Sydney, Australia. I am married. I have 2 kids. I am a salesman. I've been doing this job for 10 years. In my spare time, I like watching movies and playing chess. A good boy. It was Monday morning. Little Ben got up. He made his bed. He took a bath. He put on clean clothes. He combed his hair. Little Ben ate his rice and fish. He got his bag and said, "Goodbye, Mother. Goodbye, Father."